we'll guide you through how to share a link in Dropbox using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. You can do this by browsing through your files on the homepage or using the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. When you've located the file or folder, move your mouse over it and you'll see a Share button appear on the right-hand side. Click that Share button. A window will pop up with sharing options. In this window, you'll see a field labeled To, where you can directly enter the email addresses of people you want to share with. Or you can click Create a link at the bottom of the pop-up if you want to generate a shareable link. If you choose to create a link, Dropbox will generate a URL that you can copy by clicking the Copy link button. Once copied, you can paste this link into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you need to share it. Remember, anyone with this link will be able to access the file or folder, so make sure you're comfortable with the level of access you're granting. If you want to control permissions, you can click on Link Settings to specify if people can only view or also edit the content. This is especially useful if you're sharing with multiple people and want to maintain control over your files. That's it. Sharing files and folders in Dropbox is a breeze with these steps. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.